Okay, good morning, boys. So, how are you today? Okay, for today's lesson, we are going to have a fun project. So, in order to start this fun project, I'm going to show you a short tutorial so that you can follow this tutorial and complete this fun project. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to open a new Microsoft Word window. So in this, you are going to select the toolbar, okay, press the insert, and then you can see the table here. Okay, select this and you can select the insert table. Okay, here the number of columns you can choose as a 10 columns, and this for the rows you choose, okay, alright, here for this you are going to choose as 10. Okay, here all these are fixed, no need to change anything. Okay, and press OK. So your table will form like this. So what you need to do, you use your mouse and select this and bring it to near and to be like this. Okay, so the next step, you are going to select the square grids. Okay, you can select okay, so I choose 4 rows here. Okay, once you already select this, and you can see there is a shading. Okay, you press this and you can choose the color that you like. And right, let me choose green. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so now we are going to type the inner word. Okay. So this is all together is 4 rows of 10, so which is equal to 40 square grids of 100 green. So we are going to write this in a fraction. So in fraction, we know 40 over 100. So there is no over in our keyboard. So in order to write in a fraction, you can press the insert, and here you can choose the symbol equation, and you can select insert new equation. Okay, then you can see the fraction, select, and then you can write this as 40 over 100. Okay, so we are done. You already write in a fraction. So next you are going to write this in a decimals. Okay, so in a decimal, okay, when we want to convert 40 over 100, it is 0.40. And next we are going to write this in a percentage. Okay, in percentage, you need to convert this in a percentage form. So you can select 40. Symbol for the percentage, you can look in your keyboard. It's at the number 5, so you press the shift and 5, so there is a symbol of percentage. Okay, so done. Now you already draw in a square grid, you already write in a fraction, you already write this in a decimals, and you already write this as a percentage. Okay, so this how you are going to do this fun project. Okay, so for this fun project you need to create and construct a square grid. Okay, 2 square grids in one page. Okay, consists of 2 square grids. Once you're done, please save this document in your desktop and upload this document to your Google Classroom. Okay, so good luck for your fun project. Teacher is waiting to see your fun project. Okay, you are given 4 days to complete this fun project task.